Welcome back, gardeners. Did you know improper watering is one of the top reasons plants fail to thrive? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of watering techniques and modern technology that can transform your garden. Stick around because at the end, I'll share 3 bonus tips that professional gardeners swear by. And don't forget to like, share, and comment below. Your support helps grow this channel just like a well-watered garden. Watering isn't just about splashing some water on your plants. It's an art and a science. Overwatering can suffocate roots, while underwatering can stress plants. The trick is finding the balance. Did you know that most plants need about an inch of water per week? But it's not just the amount, it's how and when you water. Early morning is the best time to water. Why? It gives plants time to absorb moisture before the midday sun evaporates it and prevents diseases caused by wet foliage overnight. Now, let's explore some tried and true watering methods. Hand watering, perfect for small gardens. Use a watering can or a hose with a spray nozzle to control flow and direction. Soaker hoses. These slowly release water at the soil level, reducing evaporation and delivering water straight to the roots. Drip irrigation. This is a game changer. It's efficient, saves water, and can be set on a timer. Ideal for vegetable gardens and raised beds. Notice how it drips right at the base of the plant? That's precision watering. And here's a fun fact. Drip irrigation can save up to 50% more water compared to traditional methods. Technology is making gardening smarter than ever. Let's check out some cool tools. Smart sprinkler controllers? Connect these to your Wi-Fi and they'll adjust watering based on weather forecasts. No more sprinklers running during a rainstorm. Soil moisture sensors. These nifty devices monitor soil moisture levels and alert you when it's time to water. Self-watering planters. Perfect for busy gardeners. These have reservoirs that slowly hydrate your plants over days. Just insert it into the soil and voila! It tells you if your plants are thirsty or satisfied. How cool is that? And as promised, here are 3 bonus tips straight from the pros. Mulch magic. Add a layer of mulch around your plants to retain soil moisture and reduce evaporation. Water. Deeply less often. Deep watering encourages roots to grow deeper, making your plants more resilient to drought. Rainwater harvesting. Collect rainwater in barrels and use it for a sustainable, cost-effective watering solution. Bonus tip within a tip. Rainwater is softer and free of chlorine, making it perfect for delicate plants. Remember, a well-watered garden is a happy garden. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your gardening friends, and let me know in the comments, what's your favorite watering technique or tool? And don't forget to subscribe for more gardening wisdom. See you next time, and happy gardening.